Alright guys, so we're about to start on the bumper right now. Right now we're lifting the car. I loosened up the wheels. So we're gonna take out both front wheels, and then we're able to get back here and unscrew everything that we need to unscrew. Then we're gonna get that bad boy off and then put the new bad boy on. And you don't have to take off the wheels, but the thing is that getting back here is gonna be a lot harder. You'll have to turn the wheel and everything like that. But you could do it without it. I feel like it'll just be a lot easier if I just take off the wheels right now, and then I could just get in there fully to take out everything. All right guys, so the wheels are out right now. So we're able to get in here more. If you can see right there guys, we got a screw right there. We got one right there, one right there, and one right there. So we're gonna take those off, and then we're gonna be able to get in here more and see all the screws that are attached to the fender. All right guys, so for the screws, I am gonna be putting them in this little box right here. Keep track of them. Definitely want to do that. Stay organized guys. You don't want to be losing things. So let's get started. I'm gonna start unscrewing all of these, and then we'll open it up for you guys to see. All right guys, so if you can look down here on the bottom, there is some more that you need to, more screws that you need to take out. There's 5 of them guys. So you can see right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one like 5. So you guys need to take those off because they are connected to this. All right guys, so you want to do these. You can see right here, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4th one up there. That's attached to the, that's the bumper attached to the fender, and you want to loosen those up. The other 3 are like right under here. I already took them off. You can see right there, they're right under. So there's gonna be 3 down here, and then there's 4 up here, and that'll be 7 screws in total that you guys have in here inside the wheel well to unscrew from the bumper, from the fender. Let me try to explain to you guys right now. Okay, so there's 3 screws under here, like under here there's 3 screws, so you can see those are the top things that are holding the screws in. But okay, so right here is loose already, right? Also, so there's 3 screws right here that you need to take off. That's them right here. So they look like this. So we took those off already, right? And then if you see right here, there's one that's supposed to be right here, one that's supposed to be right there, one that's supposed to be right there, and another one up top. That's 4 screws that's also connecting to the upper here, like up here. So right here, it should be already pretty loose. I'm gonna do it to the other side. If you guys can see that gap right there, I'm gonna do it to the other side. Also, up top right here, you need to take off all these screws right here. If you can see, we already took off these little trim pieces kind of thing. Once you unscrew them, you just pop them out. Be careful, you know, you don't want to break them, but you just pop them out. These ones, you use a prying tool to take them out. Make sure you don't break them, guys, because you do want to reuse them. And yeah, just use a prying tool like this one. We have this one, so we use it on both sides, so just so that it doesn't break or anything like that. Also, in the bottom, guys, down here, there's a bunch of little screws right here that were on there. It's a little scratched up right here, you know, like this is the bottom, and this is usually where it gets hit, but there's some screws right here. We took them off already. There's still like 1 or 2 of them on, just holding it into place, but these ones are all pretty much off already. So this side, we do need to work on this side now to get this. So you need to open it, guys. Don't be scared. This thing is not gonna rip open fully. So the thing is not gonna rip open. So just kind of like put some pressure on it. Just don't break. Don't try not to break it, obviously. But you see, boom. You pop it out. Just don't be scared. And now we need to get these ones, so then they'll be loose on this side. And then we'll loosen these ones right here. These bad boys right here. There's 3 of them, and then there's 4 up top. Right now, you guys might still be unsure of what I'm doing, but try to keep along, guys. It's pretty simple once you know where the screws are at. Because right now, like I was showing you on this one, we already got the 4 screws. So there's 4 screws that are attaching to up here, right? And then there's 3 that are attaching from down here, like right here. There's 3 of them attaching there. And then all the screws on the bottom, obviously you need to take those ones off, and all the ones up top. It's pretty much the bottom and the top are the same. All right, guys, so check it out. It's completely loose from both sides. All I have to do is pull it off right now, and then that's it. It's off completely. You can see right there, it's all pretty much off. And yeah, you definitely have 2 people do this, guys, because you do not want to damage your stuff. There is a wire harness right here that you are gonna have to disconnect, because it does go for lights, but it's connected to the bumper, and you have to disconnect it before anything. So if you can see it in there a little bit, you disconnect that wire harness. Usually use a prying tool. Just be careful not to rip the wires. The bumper is off completely. can see right here. See, look at these where the screws are at that were holding it, and then down here is also the other spot where they're holding it. But so everything's loosened, and we just have to now transfer some things over. All right, guys. So check it out. We are gonna put this on right now on the back end. So you want to lay it on something like that's not hard. See, we have bubble wrap and stuff like that, and the cardboard, so it's kind of like soft. But yeah, we're gonna put it on, and we also did take these little things from the stocked one. We just grabbed them, we just took them off and then put on this. Kind of weird because like it's not really getting hold by that much, but you have to screw these in together, right? You see that? You screw them in, bolt them on, whatever. And then right here, it attached to the soft thing. So the soft thing that's gonna be sticking out, if you get this, that's what it attaches to. So you have to stick it in, and it should make like a little noise, like if it catches on each side. And yeah, and then you're good. I guess this is how it kind of is, kind of a little loose, but I guess that's how it's for the aftermarket kind of stuff, you know? If you guys can see, we already took out the wire harness for the side markers and the DRL. So we're over here attaching it. This is the wire harness right here. We're attaching it. We are gonna have one more extra like little plug that goes to the DRL, but we're not gonna be able to use that anymore. The reason why is because obviously there's no lights on this one, and so we just need these ones to plug into the car, so then the side markers could work. So it kind of sucks that we have to take it off, and it's just not separate, but you know. Right, guys, so everything that we did to take it off, we had to put it on the exact same way. So we have to get the 4 screws right here and at the 3 right here. But yeah, guys, so right now we're just focusing on that right now. A little chips here and there, but we're gonna get it touched up after. Yeah, so it's looking good right now, guys. It lined up pretty good. At first it was kind of like iffy, but you have to kind of like lift it a little bit, and then like you just have to work with it, you know. You have to like just work with it, and then eventually you'll get it into the point you want. And so I still have to put these little wings on. If you can see right here, boom, put them on right there. And also we're gonna put this extra piece for the splitter. All right, guys, so check it out. This is the end product. We got this done. The hood is done. It fits perfectly. Everything is perfectly on, perfect. And I just love the look, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the look down in the comment section down below. If you guys like my stripes better, or tell me what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, comment down below what you guys think. I'll catch you guys next time.
You can't save, I'm not.